Today what we're gonna do is what's the best way to fix these little areas that's from the floor to a tub or a shower. You could caulk it, you could put a piece of cord around, or I'm gonna show you another way. It only costs about $5 to $6 and it's a nice finish. Alright, so this is the product that I'm talking to you about. It's made by Homex. It's a caulking strip. It takes about 5 minutes just to put down. All you'll need is like a rag to be able to clean the stuff off, and a knife or some scissors. As soon as you pull it out, you just want to start folding it. Fold this crease. If you fold it once, that's good. You want to grab this stuff and you want to start on one corner. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start here. So here we crease it and just clean this off. You just want to get all the dust off everywhere. So to start out, you're just going to pull back some of this plastic that it has here. So it has two strips of this adhesive on the top part and then on the bottom part. So you just pull back a little bit and you set it. And then from there, you just keep setting it. And when it's ready, you just pull back on the plastic. Pull back on it. You set it. It's ready. You can see my plastic is still there, and you just pull back on it after it's set. There it is. Because you're going to want to take the plastic off and then put it in, but then that won't allow you to work it. So you want to have it set and then you pull the plastic, and that way you just push it in. That's the best way. I've tried all ways, and this is the best way. What the manufacturer wants you to do is it wants you to leave it like this and let it expand and contract. I've done that and it hasn't made a difference for me. If you want to try it out and see what it does for you guys, I think in colder climates or in warmer climates it might make a difference, but for us it really doesn't. So we're just kind of gonna eyeball this guy. Pretty good spot right there. And we just finish them off. Okay, yummy. So now we're gonna pull out the bottom strip right here. Pull him down. Just pull him up. And there it is. So that looks a lot cleaner than, you know, some caulk or using a cord around or anything like that. These cost you around $6 if you go to any hardware store. Hopefully you guys like this tip. If you guys do, go ahead and subscribe, hit the like button, or put a comment down below. I'll catch you guys on the next one.